What's up, my Lorados? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, you guys. Yeah, I got my bun in. I did my hair yesterday, and I am surprised that I did it because I have never done, well, I did crochets on my hair before, but it wasn't this kind. This was the human hair crochets, and I was gonna record it, but I said nah, because if I mess up, it's gonna be like, damn, epic fail. But I should have recorded it. But I did good. I like it. It's full, no spaces, no gaps, you guys, and I'm just loving it. But right now, I'm gonna make me some coffee. You guys will see it later on today. I was just looking at some stuff that I got from TikTok and something that I got from Temu. Let me show you guys. Got this cute little bag from Temu. I'm not gonna use these straps because they're not long enough anyway. And then I got this. I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm gonna make some salmon. I've already taken the salmon out. Usually we get fresh, but today it ain't fresh. And yeah, but I want some coffee, you guys. And what better than to use my sweater weather coffee mug. You guys, ready for some coffee? It is sweater weather almost in Vegas. My Starbucks coffee at home. I bought Starbucks coffee beans, grind them up, make my coffee here. My house smells just like Starbucks. And on that note, you guys have a good morning and a wonderful day. Okay, we didn't go to the gym yet. We went to the Nellis auction and we decided to, because neither one of us had breakfast. Decided to come and get some food. She got the, what salad is that?
The strawberry harvest.
Strawberry harvest with her curry chicken soup. And I got the bacon avocado sandwich and the Caesar salad. It's so pretty outside today, you guys. We still have to go to the grocery store and to the gym. This is Friday, the 12th.
The 12th.
And yeah. At Whole Foods again, you guys. This is almost my last stop. This one here. I came for asparagus only, you guys, and I ended up with this. Salmon chunks, mussels, asparagus, avocados, and onions. You guys remember those pancakes that I got that day from here? The buttermilk ones? Still haven't made them yet. Okay, I went to the Nellis auction again yesterday, and I got this box of barbecue sauce packets because my grandson Prince Michael, he loves barbecue sauce. I got this shower caddy, these over-the-counter lights, baseball cap holders, and this little cooling fan I could take with me on vacation. And then I got this fruit tray. You guys have seen me trying to put together. It was hectic. I had to go to a YouTube video to figure it out. Guys, I got it done. I don't know what this part goes to. This probably hangs somewhere. Oh yeah, it hangs somewhere. But what is this leave down here for? It's a fruit tray. What is this for? I don't know, but I'm happy with the way it looks, and I'm gonna go buy some fruit today. Actually, ooh, there's some avocados in here, and a lime. Yeah, guys, I'm about to use my griddle to make some pancakes, eggs, and turkey bacon. Guys, I seasoned it. Girl, I know it's not nothing, it's still too pink in there, and I don't like a rare anything. I know the salmon really don't go with the breakfast, but I took it out yesterday to cook, and I didn't want it to go bad, so guess what? It's cooked, and that's some turkey bacon. It looks burnt, but it's not burnt. It's just crispy with the thin bagels and the cheesy eggs. I had to come to the store to get, not no flowers, but guess what? I just saw a bushel that I think I like. These are nice.
Turn around and face forward. You ain't gotta face me.
Shut up. Oh my goodness, my son is just, ooh, Lord, you guys. I hope y'all didn't hear what he just said. I hope y'all didn't hear that. Okay, you guys, let's see what it's smelling like. I've been waiting so long for this, and it came today. Let me see. Oh. Ooh, Peyton did her big one on this. Let's see what that was. This was the body wash, and this one is the body oil. Oh my God! Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's see. You guys, And this is the lotion. Let's see. Ooh, ooh. Peyton did a big one on this. She did her big one on this. It smells like it just smells like she said she wants us to feel. It smells like she wants us to feel. And what did she say? Where did I put my glasses at, you guys? Oh, here they are. I can't even think right now. I can't think straight. This body care collection is designed to make you feel uplifted, confident, and utterly irresistible. Let me tell you. When I take my bath tonight, she gonna be, yes, that oil in that body wash. Oh, and they said you need to put some up there because I know for sure I'm gonna need some more, Peyton. They said it's sold out. I don't know if you're gonna re-up or whatever, but please do re-up because I already know this ain't gonna last me for a long time. Wow.
We can't stop this. We can't stop this. We ain't telling
Okay,
nobody.
let's say it like this.
Okay.
You're only as good as your last game.
Uh-oh.
Lose. Okay. I'm up one then. If we gonna put it like that. That was a skunk. Don't you do that. Don't you do that.
The word you just said.
That was a skunk.
Was.
So you still down one. If that's the case, skunk is two. Okay. It gotta be to be continued to. Alright, so we gotta finish this off. I ain't gonna let it go like that. I'm gonna still give you a get back. You feel me? That's it.
Well. Okay, I had to come to Walgreens right quick, and I came there for, I was coming there to to see if they had the electric bikes there, and they didn't. And then somehow I ended up getting everything else that I didn't need at all. So yeah, it's like a little short trip at Walmart. And now when I get home, I'll show you guys everything that I bought, which is a few little groceries. But journey with me through Walmart. Okay, my low riders, today is Wednesday, and I went to Walmart. I vlogged a little bit in there, but not too much. But this is what I got. I got some paper towels, a lot of different Minute Maid juices, some sausages, beef kielbasa, Prego meat sauce, sour cream, plug-ins, a new scrubber thingy because mine is leaking, the best glass cleaner ever, and some more dishwashing liquid. And I also got, y'all remember I was looking at them little dresses, this cute little comfy like black dress. Anywho, that's it, you guys. Now I gotta just wash these dishes because this is stuff that I took out of my refrigerator that had food in it. And I'm about to clean it out, you guys. And that is it. I may see you guys later, I may not.